Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when your MacBook is not updating. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to open up your system settings and of course go to General and Software Update. Now, if there will be any updates available, you can go ahead and update. If you don't see it, you will see here more info. You can also go ahead and click on it. As you can see, there's available updates for me. It's 4 GB. So if you are not seeing that, you want to make sure that you have enough space. And after that, you go to General, Storage, and just make sure that you have enough space around 4 GB or 5 for your software update. Now, if you are not seeing any updates here, first thing you want to open up is Activity Monitor. Just go ahead and search and write down Activity Monitor. And on Activity Monitor, you want to write down on search Update Brain Service right there. And if there's any of that, you want to force quit it. After you will force quit it, you want to go ahead back to software update, basically recheck for any updates. Now, if you already have an update, just click update now. Make sure you are connected to the charger because it will take a little bit of time to update. Also, if something is wrong and it's taking really long time to update, you want to go to your browser and go to fast.com maybe and check your internet speed. Make sure it is good also. Now, if you're still facing the issues and you cannot see the update, you want to restart your PC, your MacBook, you want to restart it and check if there are updates available. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.